Standing here, it's hard to imagine this calm water once carried the weight of a young nation's future. Before railroads, before highways, this narrow channel was the fastest way west. The Niagara Escarpment blocked travel. A massive stone ridge cut New York in half, and boats couldn't climb hills. So, in 1825, engineers solved it the only way they could. They lifted the boats. This is the flight of 5. 5 locks stacked together like a staircase for water. Boats entered one chamber at a time. The gates closed. Water filled in. And slowly, almost unbelievably, entire cargo boats rose more than 60 feet uphill. No motors, no electricity, just gravity, valves, and human timing. Picture the noise here. Mules pulling boats along the towpath, captains shouting measurements, lock tenders working around the clock. Grain, timber, immigrants, news, and ideas all passed through this exact corridor. Lockport wasn't built near the canal. Lockport exists because of it. Today the water moves quietly. But this stone once carried the speed of progress, lifting a country upward, one chamber at a time. Thank you for taking a step with me.